Today I am going to make an electrical charger circuit. The components are shown in the figure. Refer to that. After that, take the breadboard. Place the 555 timer on the breadboard. Its notch should be on the left side. Then take the CD4017 IC. Its notch should be also on the left side. Connect pin 2 to pin 6. Then connect pin 4 to pin 8. Then take the 1 microfarad capacitor. The positive part should be on the pin 2 and the negative part should be on the pin 1. Then take a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Place it on the pin 2 to pin 3 of the 555 timer IC. Then connect pin 8 of the 4017 IC to pin 13. Then another wire from pin 8 to pin 15. Connect the pin 8 of the 4017 IC to the negative line. Then connect the pin 1 of the 555 timer to the negative line. Then connect pin 8 of the 555 to the positive line. Then take a wire and connect pin 3 of 555 timer to the pin 14 of the 4017 IC. Till now it seems like that. Now connect pin 8 of the 555 timer to the pin 16 of the 4017 IC. Now I will connect a 470 ohm resistor to the negative line. After that, I will connect a 100 kilo ohm potentiometer to the pin 8 to pin 7 of the 555 timer IC. You can connect any two of the 3 pins of the potentiometer. Then we will connect the LEDs like the first one to 3, second one to the second pin, third LED to the fourth pin, fourth LED to the seventh pin, 5th LED to the 10th pin, 6th LED to the 1st pin, 7th LED to the 5th pin, 8th LED to the 6th pin, 9th LED to the 9th pin, 10th LED to the 11th pin. After that I will connect a 9-volt battery to it. I had already set the LEDs on the breadboard according to the number I have shown you. So let's connect it. Now we will see what happens. See that the lights are glowing in a like chaser way. We can control the speed by this potentiometer. Notice that the light speed are going slow. We can stop the flow by doing stopped, and we can speed up the lights.